Hi guys, welcome back. This is Mary with Isaru. This is a Plan With Me video on my iPad for October. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to my channel for digital planning tutorials, tips, and tricks. Every month I will be showing you how I plan using different planners in my shop, and everything I use will be linked below. This particular planner is the Amari digital notebook, which is the black and white version. I also have a pink version, which I used in my last month Plan With Me video for September. So let's get started. First, I'll let you know what I'm using. I'm using my iPad and my Apple Pencil Generation 1. I'll link those below for you. And also, I'm using the GoodNotes app for digital planning. Each month on the 1st, I send out an email to my subscribers, and so I'm going to put that in right now as a reminder for me to send out the email. Each month I send out the freebies that I've made that month and new video tutorials and also an exclusive coupon code for my email audience. So if you haven't subscribed to that, be sure to do that. I will leave a link below. Every Sunday we reserve this for what we call Family Day. So we spend all day together without any distractions, no devices. We just really spend quality time together. We're usually out and about exploring, adventuring, doing something active, just getting outside and being together. I'm going to make this one tag here for Family Day, and then I'm going to copy and paste it onto all the other Sundays. October is one of our favorite months as a family because we get to be super creative and make our own costumes. We've been making our own DIY costumes for, oh gosh, over a decade now. Even before we had kids, Chris and I were doing this together. So it's been this long-standing tradition for us, and it's just so much fun. It usually takes us some time, usually between a week, sometimes two, to create all of our costumes because we always pick a theme, and depending on how elaborate it is, it could take us a good amount of time. If you haven't followed us before and you haven't seen any of our costumes, I'm going to pause the video for a little bit and show you guys just like a little bit of a slideshow of our past costumes. In case you're interested, the tutorials for these costumes are all on the blog and I will link them below. Ever since we moved in the spring, we put our one-on-one dates on hold, so I'm excited to start this back up in October. And the first date that we'll have is with me and Xander, and this is an older picture of us having a treat, so we'll likely go out like for a treat, or usually with the kids we'll go out for a treat or do something active with them. But I'm just going to put this picture here to remind myself to do something fun with him. Now for my one-on-one date with Zoe. This is a picture of us at a pumpkin patch, and I love that it's October and we get to go and visit some pumpkin patches or corn mazes, so this will be a good reminder for me to plan something fun and festive with her. On Thursdays, the kids have community day at school, so they are at school all day, and Chris and I have pretty much the house to ourselves. So I wanted to plan a little lunch date with him while we have some time alone, since we don't really have, family in town and a babysitter yet. So this will be a really nice treat for us while we have some time alone without the kids. I like to use the space down here to put in my top 3 priorities for the month, just to kind of keep them top of mind and make sure that I'm making time for these throughout my month. There are a few different ways to write in your digital planner. You can, write with your handwriting, you can type, but this is one of my favorite things to do is using the scribble feature, which is when you can write with your own handwriting and then it translates it into typed text. Now I'm just going to go in with some stickers to make this calendar look a little more fun. I'm using my mini sticker book that is in the shop. It's a split screen, so if you notice right now, I'm using a split screen, which is the ability to see two windows at once. And I have my planner on the left side and then my mini split screen sticker book on the right side. And that sticker book fits perfectly in the split screen view, and so I can see all my stickers while I'm digital planning, which makes it super efficient and a lot easier than having to scroll through another document and going back and forth. Every Wednesday evening I have a call with my girlfriends, and this is something that I consider me time. It is self-care time for me, so I'm just going to mark that down on my calendar so I remember. Now I'm going to add in some fun stickers for our family days so that we remember to play on these days, we go out exploring, and we just have fun and relax together. Like I mentioned earlier, the kids are in school on Thursdays, so this is like a great time for me to really focus on work and get creative, film videos and record audio because the house is nice and quiet. There you have it. I really hope you enjoyed this Plan With Me video. If you did, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more videos and tutorials on digital planning just like this. Let me know if there's anything else you would like me to incorporate into the next video. I plan to make these every month, so follow along. I never know what you guys like to see about my process, so I'd love to hear your feedback on that. I hope you all have an amazing start to your October, and I will see you next time with another digital planning video. Bye!